Hey, hustlers! Today, I've got a product that's perfect for anyone who needs style, function, and affordability, all in one package. First off, let's talk about the design. It's sleek and modern, ideal for your home office or even your corporate workspace. I've already had coworkers asking, where'd you get that? But this isn't just eye candy. It's built for durability and performance. Whether you need it to organize your desk, spruce up your shelves, or serve as a functional decor piece, it delivers. And can we talk about the price? It's rare to find something this stylish and practical without a hefty price tag. This product is proof that you don't have to sacrifice quality for affordability. Check the description for all the juicy details and links to grab yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more practical finds. See you next time.